and they are in my subtopic of factors and multiples. So how are we going to get? I have an example which is already here in my sheet. We say that find the HCF of 92, 96, and 120. Now, how are we going to find this? So we are going to use a ladder method to find this. We are not going to use a factor tree, a tree method, but we shall use a ladder method. So in our solution, what are we going to do? We are going to put here, let's put here 92, we put here 96, we put here 120. Now from there, we shall put our what? Our ladder, keep going. So now here, we shall divide here by 2. So when you divide 92 by 2, you get 46. Then you divide 96 divided by 2, you get 48. Then this one, when you divide 120 divided by 2, you get 60. Again, you divide by 2. So 46 divided by 2, you get 23. Then 48 divided by 2, you get 20 what? 24. Then 60 divided by 2, you get 30. So again, still you divide by 2. 26 divided by 2 still remains 23. Then 24 divided by 2, you get 12. 30 divided by 2, you get 15. Then here you divide by 2. By 2 here remains 23. This one goes to 6. This one goes to 15. Then still you divide by 2. Here still remains 23. Here comes 3. Here comes what? 15. I hope you are seeing it. The way how we are getting our highest common factor. Now by here you divide by 3. You get here 23. Here you get 1. Here you get 5. Here now we divide here by 5. Here you get 23. Here you get 1. Here you get 1. So our ladder is still moving. Then now we divide here by 23. Here you get 1, 1, 1. So after reaching there, now you can finish to get those multiples. Now you can get your highest common factor of the given numbers. Now here now we shall now bring that therefore now you have 92 to give you how many times does 2 goes into 92? It went only 2 times. This is 1 and 2. So here now you have 2 square. Then lastly you get times 23. Next one you have 96. How many times does 2 goes into 96? 96 you find it goes 5 times. This is 2 power 5 times 3 last. See, from here this was 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then lastly you have 120. How many times does 2 goes into 120? It went only 3 times. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 2 power 3 times 5. No, times 5 times 3. 0, so we went through that. We have times 5 times 3. So now, from there now, you will get now your highest common factor. How are you going to get your highest common factor? Now, the highest common factor of this, it will go 2 times square. Now you have HCF of 92 96 and 120 is what? The 2 square, which will give us 4. And that is your final answer. So, your highest common factor is 4. So that's how you were supposed to do this number. So let me hope it has been very fine or very clear to everyone. So that's how you work it out on how to get the factors and multiples of a given number. So maybe I could give you anybody or somebody an example or an activity you can also go and try. You can go and try and do the highest common factors of, you can get the common factors of 16 and 24. So go and do it and try how to work it out. 16 and 24. You do it as your activity, as your trial for this lesson. Thank you for being with me. And I believe when you are still all together, we shall work it out to the maximum which we need, so that we shall change our grades. Thank you, and I say always thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.